A black soldier fly is a common and widespread fly of the family Stratiomyidae. One of their most interesting properties is its closed life cycle. Black soldier fly farming is presently the most widespread form of insect farming in the world. These insects are utilized as feed for livestock, poultry, and aquaculture. They're a good source of protein and easy to farm. They don't create protein themselves, rather, they process protein from the things they eat. Black soldier fly contain up to 43% of protein and are rich in calcium and other nutrients. They eat twice their own body weight every single day, so they can grow at a hugely accelerated rate. Once they become flies, they are basically not going to eat again. At that point, they don't even have functioning mouths. They basically live for a few days as they reproduce, and then they die off. The adult female lays its eggs not long before dying, and the larvae hatches in around 4 days. In most cases, the black soldier fly can lay up to 500 eggs easily in one go. Black soldier fly larvae can grow on any organic waste. The black soldier fly larvae has a life cycle of only 6 weeks, including egg, larvae, pupa, and fly stage. By comparison, mealworm use 9 weeks on the same process. The small larvae hate light. So, when you want to harvest them, all you need to do is give them a bucket as a shelter, and they will harvest themselves. Their digestive processes kill any bacteria that they may encounter in their own food. They are so efficient at this that there's no bacteria in their waste once they have digested it. Their waste is sanitary. Black soldier flies are great at converting feed into meat. To produce 1 kilogram black soldier larvae, you will need only around 1.5 kilograms of feed. Black soldier flies naturally thrive in higher densities and prefer to stay close together. In fact, to survive, they have had to develop an odor that repels other household pests from them. They will eat almost any organic matter and thrive on it. Some insect farming companies will feed them food that has been rejected for human consumption. In fact, those flies can survive almost anything. They are solving the food waste problem. They are a lot better for the environment. They can be kept in small containers without issue, and even if you are farming to sell them, they don't take up a lot of room. Production waste is an excellent fertilizer. Well, in short, their poop, dead flies, egg leftovers, and so on are an excellent food source for your plants. Or in other words, there is absolutely no waste from black soldier fly larva production.